Do you like learning English? Do you like learning English? Yes, I love it. Yes, I love it. Is English easy for you? Is English easy for you? Sometimes it's easy, sometimes hard. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes hard. Do you listen to English songs? Do you listen to English songs? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you watch English videos? Do you watch English videos? Yes, every day. Yes, every day. Do you practice English speaking? Do you practice English speaking? Yes, with my friends. Yes, with my friends. Do you want to speak fluently? Do you want to speak fluently? Yes, that's my goal. Yes, that's my goal. Do you practice every day? Do you practice every day? Yes, I try to. Yes, I try to. Do you read English books? Do you read English books? Yes, simple ones. Yes, simple ones. Do you write in English? Do you write in English? Yes, short sentences. Yes, short sentences. Do you understand English movies? Do you understand English movies? A little bit. A little bit. Do you want to travel abroad? Do you want to travel abroad? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Which country do you want to visit? Which country do you want to visit? I want to visit England. I want to visit England. Why do you want to go there? Why do you want to go there? Because I want to see London. Because I want to see London. Do you like cold weather? Do you like cold weather? Not really. Not really. Do you like sunny days? Do you like sunny days? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Is it raining today? Is it raining today? No, it's sunny. No, it's sunny. What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? It's warm and nice. It's warm and nice. Do you go out on weekends? Do you go out on weekends? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Where do you go? Where do you go? I go to the park. I go to the park. Do you like to walk in the park? Do you like to walk in the park? Yes, it's relaxing. Yes, it's relaxing. Do you meet your friends there? Do you meet your friends there? Yes, sometimes. Yes, sometimes. Do you eat out on weekends? Do you eat out on weekends? Yes, with my family. Yes, with my family. What do you like to eat? What do you like to eat? I like pizza. I like pizza. Do you cook at home? Do you cook at home? Yes, sometimes. Yes, sometimes. What can you cook? What can you cook? I can cook rice and eggs. I can cook rice and eggs. Do you watch TV after dinner? Do you watch TV after dinner? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. What do you watch? What do you watch? I watch news or movies. I watch news or movies. Do you sleep early? Do you sleep early? Yes, before 10 p.m. Yes, before 10 p.m. What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6 a.m. I wake up at 6 a.m. Do you pray in the morning? Do you pray in the morning? Yes, I do. Yes, I do.